Tell your bishop I said so.
Go ahead.
He know better.
Go ahead.
He know.
Yeah.
But because you help bring money, that bishop can get up and say, Saints, the water heater need fixed. It's going to cost us $500. Now, I know we got it somewhere. We'll let my wife tell you what it needs. She get up and snatch that microphone. All right, church, now here's what we're going to do. We might as well just get it and get it over the way and let God be praised.
That's what they do.
By the time she done bouncing around and all her physical goods bouncing around, them men come up with that money, they shouting it to her. They shouting that money to her.
That's right.
You bunch of heathens.
That's heathenish.
Yeah, bunch of heathens.